Eastside boy with a broken bone and the hero on the hot seat. Phoenix Jones was giving an inspirational talk at a Bellevue school when he offered to take a punch from an 11-year-old. KOMO 4's Joel Marino is live in Bellevue with how that punch sent the child to a doctor. Joel?
Molly, the boy has a broken finger and a cast on his hand from tangling with this costume crime fighter. The boy's mom says Phoenix Jones should have known better. Phoenix Jones has a nose for finding trouble. Whether it's protecting a courthouse from an angry mob or safeguarding the streets at night, the masked superhero is ready to take a stand. But a motivational speech at a private school in Bellevue backfired when Jones invited a little boy to do his best against the crime fighter's bulletproof body armor.
And he says to him, okay, give me all you got, go ahead, give me your best punch, but wait, don't do it too hard because you might get hurt.
That's the mother of 11-year-old Noah talking on KOMO News Radio. Denise doesn't want her last name used. She admits her son didn't hold back, but Noah was no match for the ballistic suit, which busted one of his fingers and left his whole hand swollen.
You've got my kid there in front of his classmates, and a superhero has just given him a challenge to punch him as hard as he can. And my kid took all his might and punched him.
Other parents were in class at the time, and school officials say Jones might have thought one was Noah's dad, but that wasn't the case. We reached out to Jones, but he never replied to our interview request.
Obviously, the boy's parents were upset. I would be upset, too, if my child came home with their hand all swollen.
I'm not angry at him. The thing that I want to get across is I don't think any grown man superhero should ever ask a kid to punch him. I mean, he's a kid. He's 11 years old.
Noah also weighed in on the radio with a lesson learned the hard way.
Well, I should punch a superhero as hard as I can.
Doctors told Noah to come back Monday to be evaluated once that swelling goes down, and he planned to play guitar tonight at his big sister's graduation, but now that's not possible. Live here in Bellevue, Joel Marino, KOMO 4 News.
Joel, thank you.